Buying a used iPhone can be a great way to save money, but it can also be risky if you don't know what to look for. In this video, we'll show you the key things you should check before making a purchase. Let's dive in. First, you need to check some basic things. Due to a used iPhone, you'd better check if the home button and volume buttons working and whether these buttons are loose or not. Also, check touchscreen is working or not, as well as battery health is good. Second, check the model number. To find the model number, go to Settings to tap on General. Then, tap on About, and the model number of your device is here. What does a model number tell you? Let us explain this to you. M stands for brand new device, meaning the device was purchased new. F stands for refurbished device, meaning the device has been through refurbishing process. N stands for replacement device, meaning the originally bought device was replaced by this model, likely due to a service request. P stands for personalized device with engraving, meaning the device was customized with an engraving on purchase. IMEI number is one of the most important things to check. Scroll down the same screen as model number, you can see the IMEI number here. So how to check? Go to the phone app to enter the code. And you will see the device info. Check the IMEI number is the same as in settings. Next, check the activation lock and jailbreak status. You can go to settings to check if the iPhone is signed into an Apple ID and whether Find My is on or not. For checking jailbreak status, we recommend you use AnyUnlock to export your device report. The jailbreak status, battery life, charge time and more information are shown clearly. Last, we will show you a bonus tip to help you bypass the activation lock on your second-hand iPhone. Run AnyUnlock on your PC or Mac and connect your second-hand iPhone. Select Bypass iCloud Activation Lock feature and click Start Now. Then, click Start Jailbreak and put your iPhone into DFU mode, and your iPhone will be jailbroken automatically. When the jailbreak process is completed, click Bypass Now and Done. Also, if you just want to remove Apple ID from your iPhone, AnyUnlock also supports it. Click the link in the description to learn more info. That's all tips. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.